Hey, my friends, I'm John, your carnivore teacher, and we're going to break down the ingredients here in Domino's pizza. Are you ready? Let's break this down. This is not food. This is a formulation. I'm not going to talk about the obvious things like flour and cheese or tomato sauce. I'm going to focus on what's not real nutrition, the additives that exist purely for shelf life, texture, flavor manipulation, and profit. First, soybean oil. This shows up multiple times. It's a highly processed industrial oil, unstable under heat, and used because it's cheap and it extends shelf life, not because it nourishes you. Then you've got maltodextrin and dextrose. These are refined carbohydrate powders that spike blood sugar fast. They're added to enhance flavor and browning, not because your body needs them. Next, we have dough conditioners like sodium stearyl lactylate and enzymes. These are there to make the dough softer, more elastic, and consistent for mass production. This is about manufacturing efficiency, not health. L-cysteine monohydrochloride. This one's interesting. It's used to speed up dough processing. It reduces mixing time. Again, this is about production speed, not nutrition. Now, look at the cheese cellulose. That's basically powdered plant fiber, adding to prevent clumping. Modified food starch used to improve texture and stability. Neither of these are there to nourish you. Then, natural flavors. This is a vague catch-all term. It can mean dozens of chemically processed compounds designed to hack your taste buds and make you crave more. Sodium propionate, a preservative. This prevents mold so the product can sit longer. It's about shelf life, not your health. Now, the big one, hydrogenated soybean oil. This means trans fats or near trans fats. These are altered fats designed for stability and long storage, not for human biology. TBHQ, a synthetic antioxidant preservative. It keeps oils from going rancid. That tells you everything you need to know right there. You're eating something that would spoil without chemical protection. All right, dimethyl polysiloxane, an anti-foaming agent. Yes, the same type of compound used in industrial applications. It's added so things don't foam during processing. Soy lecithin, an emulsifier. It helps ingredients mix and stay mixed. Again, this is about texture and consistency, not nourishment. And finally, more natural and artificial flavors. These are engineered to keep you coming back again and again. This is addiction by design. So when you look at this pizza, understand this. This isn't just carbs, fat, and protein. This is a chemically engineered product designed for shelf life, mass production, and repeat consumption. Your body doesn't recognize most of this as food. It deals with it. It has to deal with it. And over time, that adds up. If you found this ingredient list breakdown of Domino's pizza interesting, click the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my playlist here in YouTube. I have a playlist where I break down the ingredients of other foods like Pop-Tarts and macaroni and cheese and things like that. Check it out because we're not eating food when we eat these products. It's terrible. There's no nutrition in them and they're harmful. If you have a suggestion or a comment or a question, leave that to me in the comments as well and I'll get back to you. Share this video so others can see it. Thank you for coming to this one and have a good day.